In this video, we will be doing the unboxing of the Logitech F310 wired gamepad controller. This controller has been around for almost a decade. Box says it supports Windows 7 and 8, but you will have no problems running on Windows 10 and 11 as well. Even though it's a decade-old device, you still get the recently made brand new unit. Country of origin is China. Okay, so let's quickly unbox the package. Let me tell you, it is impossible to get this thing out without hassle. I even cut my finger as the plastic is very sharp razor-like. I somehow got it out, but in the process ended up scratching the controller. So in terms of the packaging, I will give it a big 0 out of 10. In the box you get the user manual indicating all the 10 functional buttons. At the back is the direct input button which slides left, right, both sides. The feel of the controller for the price is actually very premium, especially the black colored buttons. It is excellent for playing games like the FIFA series cricket or even the Call of Duty, as there are plenty of keys you can assign. Okay, I will show you now this sample with the old FIFA 2009 game. You will always prefer FIFA games on this controller if you happen to be a PC gamer like me. Feels much better than the keyboard. Unfortunately, it didn't run the Don Bradman game, which left me very disappointed. It also plays the Tennis World Tour 2. So, the final verdict for this, it can play a lot of games, and if you have no controller at all, then this one makes perfect sense for buying for the first time. Thanks for watching, goodbye.